Carolyn asks, what do I do if I have a lot of word cards in my review pile? Don't pull your hair out. This is completely normal. You do not need to review all of the word cards daily. Just rotate through a selection each day. You can choose 10 or so cards each day, or spend 2 to 3 minutes of your lesson time in review. Then pick up in the teacher's manual wherever you left off previously. If you feel that there are too many review cards behind the review divider and that you shouldn't move on to the next lesson, trust your instincts. Spend more time reviewing the concepts in previous lessons using letter tiles or activity sheets. You might even consider having a game or activity day in place of your regular lesson. Your student might have fun shooting Nerf darts at words,
winter,
or building a word card city. Here are some fun ways to review word cards. If you have any questions, please email us or give us a call. Our customer support champs will be waiting with your answers.
1, 2, 3, go.